long day at work, I'm tired. The last thing I want to do is cook a meal from scratch. So we often end up making something quick from a box, the frozen food section of the grocery store, or as a last resort, takeout. Now, this may have worked, but the meals we were getting from the grocery store were definitely not the best for us. And takeout can get pricey fast. That's when we came across an ad for Home Chef. This service sends meals straight to your door every week with easy-to-follow recipes and pre-portioned ingredients. So having a fresh, healthy dinner is quicker and easier than you might think. Now that some time has passed, in today's video, I'll share with you my experience with Home Chef. We'll talk about what I really liked about them, what could be better, and what might make the service a good fit for you. That said, let's get into it. Now, my husband and I try to eat healthy. We really do. But the only chance we really have time to dedicate towards making a well-balanced meal is the weekends. And while I like to think we get some credit for trying, 2 meals out of 7 in a week isn't great. So I decided to give Home Chef a try. I figured if I could find options that were already planned and ready to go, it would save me some time from doing the shopping and prep work myself. Or at the very least, give us better options to choose from during the week. And in all honesty, the recipes are pretty easy to whip up. I'm by no means a Gordon Ramsay in the kitchen, so I need all the help I can get. But I learned pretty quickly you don't need to be a master chef to make a yummy meal. The instructions are easy to understand, and the meals we chose only take about 30 minutes or so, which works well for weeknights. Getting started is pretty straightforward. You just create an account, answer a few quick questions about what kind of meal options you're looking for, and any dietary preferences you might have, like whether you're vegetarian, watching your carbs, doing keto, or trying to cut calories. They'll also ask if there are any ingredients you want to avoid, like peanuts or shellfish. Once that's done, you choose how many meals you want each week and how many servings per meal. You can start small with just 2 meals a week and then scale up or down later depending on what works for you. After that, you get to pick from the different meal kit types they offer. The standard meal kit is kind of their base option. It includes all the ingredients you need and walks you through the steps. You'll do the cooking yourself, but everything's pretty simple and it usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes start to finish. If you're looking for something a bit quicker, there's the Express Kit. You're still cooking, but it's trimmed down a bit, so you're looking at more like 20 to 30 minutes total. If you want something even easier, they've got an oven-ready option. That one comes in an oven-safe tray, so you just unwrap it, pop it in the oven, and it's time to eat. They also offer a family plan, which is just larger portions, which is great if you're feeding a few people or want leftovers for later. Then there's the Fast and Fresh Kit, which is probably the quickest route. You just mix the ingredients, use the included tray, and heat it up in an oven or microwave. These definitely come in handy on weekdays when I have plans after work and need something to get on the table fast. And on the opposite side of the spectrum, there's the Culinary Collection. These meals tend to take a little bit more work and time, but you get more premium options. I like these for special date nights. We don't have to leave the house, but can still have a restaurant quality meal. Now, once your preferences are set, they'll suggest a few meals that match your diet. But you're not stuck with those. You can scroll through their full weekly menu and pick whatever looks good to you. The menu changes all the time, so each week there's something new to try, along with a few regulars that stick around if you like having a few go-to options. At first, I wasn't sure how much variety there'd actually be. I figured it might be one of those situations where they just rotate the same 5 meals with slightly different names. But that's not true at all. Some meals will go for something familiar, like a pasta bake or burgers, and some are a little more out there, like Thai chicken or trout. So far, it's been a nice mix of common and unique. Another thing I've really liked is how flexible the meals are. You can usually swap out the proteins if you want, so instead of a turkey patty, I'll go with ground beef or pork, depending on what's available. Or there are times, like during Lent, when I need to cut back on meat altogether. In those cases, I'll either pick one of their meatless options or leave the protein out and use something I already have at home. Either way, it's easy to make the meal work for you, which isn't something most meal kits let you do. And if you want to give Home Chef a try, you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. So let's talk about how the meals actually taste, which is pretty crucial to whether they're worth checking out or not. Overall, as a Home Chef user, I've been really happy with the flavor and quality. The ingredients show up fresh, and I've never had an issue with anything going bad before I could use it. They offer a lot of dishes I would consider comfort food, but they still have a nice variety of more unique meals and ingredients to keep things interesting. One of my favorites is the beef burger with bacon shallot spread and ranch fries. I'm a sucker for a good burger. The cream cheese with bacon and barbecue sauce is so good, and the pretzel bun ties it all together perfectly. Another standout for me is the sheet pan chicken fajitas. It had a nice heat that was definitely there, but wasn't super overpowering. And even better yet, it took less than half an hour to whip up. But of course, not every meal is a home run. We got the sweet chili meatballs, which ended up falling a bit short than what I expected. My husband liked it, and the dog enjoyed his meatball. I just thought it was a bit bland compared to similar meals we tried. So I wouldn't call it bad, but I wouldn't order it again. Although overall, the majority of the dishes have been enjoyable, and the few misses have been more about personal taste than anything wrong with the food itself. Now, of course, no service gets everything right, and Home Chef's no exception. One thing to know is there's quite a bit of packaging. Each ingredient comes wrapped individually, and everything's packed into a cooler box to keep it fresh. It definitely helps with freshness to ensure nothing gets damaged. But if you're trying to cut back on waste, it's something to keep in mind. The good news is most of the packaging is recyclable. As long as you're sorting it out properly, it's not horrible. Another small thing worth mentioning is that they don't include basic pantry items like salt, pepper, or olive oil, which makes sense since most people already have those at home. But if you're expecting every single thing to be in the box, just know you'll need to have those on hand. As for cost, it depends on how many meals and servings you're getting each week. The regular meals usually come out to about $10 per serving for at least 3 recipes each week. If you're ordering family-sized portions, that drops closer to $8. And then there's the culinary collection meals, which are more premium. So those are typically around $14 per serving. If you decide to swap in a more premium cut of meat, like steak or seafood, there's usually a small upcharge there too. And finally, there's an $11 shipping fee for each delivery. So who will benefit the most from Home Chef? Personally, I think they'd be a great option for anyone who wants to eat tasty, well-balanced meals, but don't have a lot of time to plan, shop, or cook from scratch. Whether you're cooking for one, couples, or families, it's also a great starting point if you're newer to cooking, since the recipes are written with beginners in mind. Even the more advanced meals are easy to follow with step-by-step instructions. Now, if you're someone who genuinely enjoys grocery shopping, preparing meals, and cooking everything from the ground up, or if you're already really confident in the kitchen, then you probably don't need a service like this. But for me, it's been a reliable way to try new meals that taste great and are a bit healthier and affordable than the takeout we'd relied on in the past. And that's all for this review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more like this. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. As a reminder, if you want to check out Home Chef for yourself, then be sure to use the affiliate links to help you get started. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try and answer as many as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.